Hey guys, welcome back to Endless Roads. Another season here. Kind of fell off last year, sorry about that. I had some issues with my GoPro. Right now I'm at Home Depot. Today's mission is to build a tool tube. We'll see you there. So got the shopping done here. The grand total was $112.03 Canadian. For comparison, I just checked the ProCycle.us website, and they sell a tool tube on there, and theirs comes to $110 Canadian. So did I save any money? No, not at all, because I'm going to be making it myself. That being said, the one on ProCycle, the tool tube on ProCycle is 3.5 inches, whereas mine's 4, so I'll have a bit more storage, and it's mine. I made it, and I'll have, I'll have extra bed liner and extra ABS cement and an extra section of ABS tubing. So yeah, the DIY life. Do you save money? Not all the time. Alright, we're back in the yard now. A little update. Kind of got ahead of myself and forgot to document, but so far I've cut the tube down to size. Okay, so I got my little brackets cut to size. Next step is to bend them. Work it down. I don't think we're there yet, but we're getting there. What do you think? You think it's too much? A little bit too much. There's a bit of a gap there. Good. I'm gonna call that one good. Ended up not bad, pretty good, not bad. Now we'll do the other ones. Okay, so we got all 3 tabs bent to pretty close to spec. I wouldn't say to exact spec, but yeah, next step is going to be to go get my measurements and drill my holes. So I'm going to attach this one, and then I'll mount it in place on the bike, and then I'm going to do my measurements from there. I was thinking about getting some silicone to seal this hole, but in the name of saving money, I decided not to. Kind of hope and figure that the bed liner will seal it up just fine. I'm just gonna bolt this into the furthest spot in front, and then I'll make my marks on the 2 other spots on the bed. Okay, so I got my marks here. I'll drill these out and attach the mounting brackets, and I'm going to loctite. So everything's good to go. Next step, I put the end cap on with the ABS cement here, and roughed everything up with 60 grit sandpaper. Probably a little aggressive, but who cares? Next step is to paint. So got the tool tube built. This is the rear view here, that's her. And pretty happy with it. I do think it's like pushing the limits in terms of diameter. This is 4 inches. The one that ProCycle sells is 3.5. So mine does push this plastic out quite a bit. Not a huge deal, but I might have to do a little bit of adjusting. Thanks for tuning in. It's gonna work for sure. There's lots of space. I ended up going with 13.5 inches long and made 3 mounting points. So hope you can follow along, or this gives you some ideas, and we'll see you in the next video.